Hey, what's going on, guys? DeathCall69 here, and today we got an unboxing / review of the Jordan 6 PSGs. These came out in August 10th, 2019 as a collaboration with the French football team. The colorway for these is the Air Jordan 6 Retro PSG. I don't have the color. Here it is. The Iron Gray Black Infrared 23. But anyways, let's get to what's inside the box. A little bit about these Jordans right here. The design includes a PSG logo on the heel, and the midsole block connects as a nod to the team champions. Paname branding, in other words for Paris, is a feature throughout the stock liner. It's finished with the ICE text, which stands for "Here is Paris." Any collaborations that did with PSG, so far I've seen the 4s, the 1s, the 5s, and the 6s. I don't know if there's more, but as far as I've seen, that's it. There could be more. Let me know in the comments down below. All right, let's get to what's inside the box. As soon as you open it up, see that black braille plastic covering it. Bring out the shoe. Man, boys, is clean, infrared as hell. And the other one, here they are. That was it. That's all that's all that was in the box. They only come with the black shoelaces. It would have been nice to see some infrared shoelaces. Not really, but yeah, here's the shoe. Quick look at it. I looked up some of the features because I have no idea. I mean, I don't watch soccer. I know who they are, PSG is, but I don't watch soccer, football. But anyways, some of the features right here: the push pin, Paris, in that infrared, that bright infrared, nice color, 75. That's Paris area code. The Jumpman is infrared or red. I can't tell. I believe it's infrared. Yeah, you can probably see better on the camera. It's infrared. Paname, which is another word for Paris. The Paris Jumpman logo on the back. The translucent, it feels pretty nice. Got the translucent hook on the back. The air bubble gray. The shoe was designed as a nod to the football club's jersey. And inside the tongue, you can see a few specks of infrared. Not too much. You can see it more up here on the top, on the translucent area, and that's because on the inside you see a lot more infrared. Pretty nice. Would have been nice to see more out here, but it's still pretty nice looking shoe. The accents stand out really well. The infrared Jumpman logo at the bottom. Another feature is on the inside is Ici c'est Paris, which is basically here is Paris. I looked it up online. I don't know if I pronounced it right or not. I don't care. But basically that's kind of useless to me because one wear and those letters or that logo, whatever's in there, is gone. How do you guys preserve that? Because I cannot. I am ass at that. But anyways, on the inside here, the liner is a little bit different, a little bit warmer. I don't know what you would call it. It feels like microfiber almost compared to the Technochromes that I have, the women's. Those are like a stretchy fabric, like nylon or something. The bottom sole, the lower, is like a smoke translucent gray. Then you get a black, and then you get gray. You get another gray, suede. And then the tongue is that stretchy fabric, that nylon. You know, I think these are usually made out of that. You get black suede right here. I already talked about the translucent and the infrared accents, how bright they are, the tongue. But yeah, let's get to what they look like on feet, boy. I just noticed another thing. These right here, the left shoe has a lot more infrared in the tongue than the other one. It's pretty cool, stands out a little bit more. Would have liked it if my other shoe, I don't know if it's just random pattern or they're all like that. Would have liked it if mine had a lot more infrared on both of them. But just a neat little feature. I was about to do the what they look like on feet, and I was gonna pull the cardboard out, and I found something in there. I found this tag. I don't know where StockX gets their shit from, but yeah, shout out Sneaker Control. It's funny. I would think that StockX would have taken this out, but I guess shout out to them. Shout out to StockX for shouting them out. Alright, here's the up close shot. I'm wearing skinny jeans. I don't know. It'd be better like to tuck it behind the tongue. Roll them up maybe. Leave a comment how you wear your sixes. What kind of pants you use. I don't know shit. Can't really put them over. But yeah. I got other jeans, but I'm too lazy to be modeling right now. Drop my logo at the bottom. Yeah, there you go. You can see the orange inside. Alright. This is what they look like on feet. Not bad, not bad. I like them. A little high, but the laces, I don't know what to do about the laces. Y'all let me know. How do y'all wear y'all's laces on the sixes? I've only had Technochromes before. And I don't really wear them a whole lot. And usually what I do is I tuck the laces. Yeah, there you go. Pretty easy. They're gonna be pretty easy to match with. Got my neon colors. You can wear it with neon colors. You can wear it with dark colors. You can wear it with whatever. I mean, the only color that stands out on these is the infrared. But yeah, comment down below how you wear your shoelaces. See how high I can jump with these. These might be it. Oh, you saw that? Got some air, boy. But yeah, anyways, thanks for watching. Leave a comment down below what you thought, if they were fire or not. Don't forget to like or dislike. And also subscribe. I need some clout. I need some more shoes. I need to get these early. I think you can do that with clout.